Welcome to my channel. Today, I'm diving into an essential Canva skill, how to remove backgrounds from your images, comparing the free version with the pro version. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned creator, stick around because this simple trick will level up your designs in minutes. Let's start with the free process. First, open Canva and choose any canvas size you like. Upload the image you want to edit, something with a background you'd like to remove. Now, head over to the Apps section on the left, search for Background Eraser, and open it. Select your image, hit Process, and voila, in just a few seconds, your background is gone. That's how easy it is to do this in Canva Free. Now, let's switch gears to Canva Pro. It's even simpler. Upload your image, go to the Edit tab, and look for the Background Remover option. One click, a quick process, and boom, your image is ready, background free, in seconds. Canva Pro makes it seamless, but both methods get the job done. Canva's packed with amazing AI features like this, and if you want me to cover more, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. If you found this helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more tutorials, and hit the bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Both methods